Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and this is a continuation of the Tesla teardown and experiment that I've been doing. And I just got done hooking up one of my spare grow watt charge controllers to the battery, and right now it is pumping out power to my system off of the Tesla battery down here. And what I found out so far is I've got my charger set to 27 volts, and I'm giving the Tesla battery a little bit more responsibility in power output than the rest of my lithium packs here. So I'm giving 24 amps to the system from the Tesla battery, and this 300 amp pack here is putting out 15 amps, and this 280 pack is putting out 7 amps, and this 300 amp pack is putting out almost 12 amps. So so far it appears like everything's working like I expect it to. The only thing is that with this setup here, the charge controller will keep a constant voltage or current going into the system, so it will get depleted probably faster than all the other banks here, and there's no real way to get it to balance out so that they all drain evenly. So basically what I'm going to have to do here is sometime late before I go to bed, come in here and turn down the charger here so that it's putting out less voltage, and that way when I get up in the morning, hopefully the banks will be about evenly dispersed in the amount of current that they've put out, and there won't be any stress on one particular battery. So anyways, so far we've got a successful experiment going here. And this is pretty exciting to me, and like I said, this is just one Tesla battery. And once I get two in here, this is going to put me over the top, where I think that I'll be able to actually call the electric company and say, "Hey, I don't need you no more." So I'm looking forward to finishing this experiment and reporting back to you on what all happens here. Anyways, that's what's going on for right now. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.